PR is basically creating the relationship between the artist and the press and the media. So, that goes everywhere from creating the assets, so creating the one sheets and the press quotes, compiling that, and advising on what photos to use, what to use as your main leading press photo and the photos that you're going to share. But really creating the story that you can then relay along, to the press, and having that bridging, component there.
So why do artists need press?
Open-ended question there. I feel like that's a loaded question.
Yeah.
I mean,
do
a lot
artists
of times,
need press?
Yeah, I think press
Okay.
is really important. You want your story to be told. A lot of times there's a song that means so much to you. It's because, you wrote it because your mother passed away, or you were struggling with something and you were trying to get that out, into the world. And I think a lot of times what the publicist can do is craft the story or help you craft the story to then relay that along, to the media.